Are you going to play peekaboo with me? Can we play peekaboo? Can we play peekaboo? What is that tongue hanging out for? What is that tongue hanging out for? He needs help. He needs help. He needs help.
Right.
There you go. Big boy. Big boy. You are so big. You are so big. Look at you up and down the steps now. It's May 26th today. Friday before Memorial Day. Long weekend. We're looking forward to it.
Christian.
Where are you going? Christian. Christian. Where are you going? Peekaboo. 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 I see you. I see you. Hi, sweetie. Are you going to come get me? Are you going to come get me? There goes the airplane, Christian. Airplane. 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 There goes the airplane. Careful, Christian. No, to the side more. Careful. Ay, ay, ay. He's incredible. Climbing and crawling and running. Christian.
Christian.
Say hi. He's wet in the front because he was drinking water by himself out of his Mickey Mouse cup. He got a little too fast, a little too excited about doing it by himself, and spilled it all over his front. Christian, I see you. No, 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 no. Not in your mouth. Not in your mouth. Oh, he's a fast mover now. Are you picking flowers for Nani? Are you picking flowers for her? There's that flowers, but yeah, I still thought that counts. Christian, you gonna pick some flowers for Mommy? Christian? 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 No, no. Yeah. Bang on the drums. Bang on the drums. Tongue. Show me your tongue. Christian. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Christian, mira. Christian. Christian.
Christian, Nani's calling you.
Christian.
What's that tongue doing out? What's that tongue doing out? What's that tongue doing out? Look at me, look at me, look at me. Look at that. Okay, Christian, say bye-bye now. Mommy's going to turn off the camera. Can you say bye-bye?